Hi guys, today we are going to see what is the accounts and what are the common elements we are using for the accounts and chart of account. Okay, we are going to see those things in the class. Okay, now we are going to see what is the account. This account is like you can see as per my knowledge, I am telling the simple way what is the accounts. Okay, I have explained simple example of account. Okay, then we will go for technical terms. Okay, the accounts like a day-to-day life we are facing. Example, if we are purchasing mobile by cash or card payment, then cash will go out, correct? See, for example, if you are accounting guy or not accounting guy, if you have the company, you don't have the company, you don't think about anything. But you have to think about like money, you have some money, correct? You spent, that means what? That money is gone. It's not with you. It's left from you. The same thing only we are going to use. If you are the accounting guy or working in the company, the same money is going, accounts payable, money is coming, accounts receivable. We are using for the technical term, correct? If you can think about this day-to-day life, money is going out, money is coming. The same mobile you are going to sell. That means what happened? You are receiving money from someone. See, everybody knows that, but nobody think about like a accounting point of view. You can see below picture, you can understand easily. Okay, you can see the below picture. You can see the red mark and green mark. The arrow is there, correct? One guy is standing, that guy, the red mark, that guy planning to purchase the motorcycle. So that means what happened? He spend money. This money is going to that guy, correct? So money is going to that going to the showroom. He is going to purchasing what? He is going to purchasing the motorcycle. At the same time, in case he is going to sell the motorcycle, what happened? Money coming to him. This is the concept. This is the concept of accounts. Money is going, money is coming. Based on that, debit and credit. Based on that, they are preparing the financial statement, whatever. Ultimately, money. Okay, money is going, money is coming. Those things only like accounting this everybody knows about, but nobody thinking about like that. Okay, the future class I am going to explain that accounts, the what are the element we are going to use and everything. Okay, now we are going to see like technically what is the accounts. See this, what is the account? An account is the record in a accounting system that is track the financial activities of a specific assets, liability, utility, revenue or expense. Okay. Other see these accounts what happen like the tracking for the financial activities. What are the activities happening? What are the activities happening? Like assets, they're purchasing assets, they're paying to the purchase vendor, suppliers, or this equities, their shareholders or partner, owner, the revenue, the income or expense, whatever happening, they should record first, correct? The company, they need the record. Okay, then the records increase and decrease as a business event throughout the accounting period. See, if they are recording the increasing and decreasing the full whatever this accounting period, they have to keep it record for everything. Each individual account is stored in the general ledger and used to proper financial statement at the end of accounting period. This is the account. Before I explain about the general life, day-to-day life we are facing, coming money is going out like that. The same thing, but they are using for the technical accounting people are they are using technical way. You can see here what they are telling. The main purpose of accounting, recording, the bookkeeping, the record keeping is important. Based on that, they are posting the ledgers, they are posting the journal entries. Then, based on that, their ledger account, they are going to prepare the financial statement. What kind of financial statement? Maybe cash flow, income statement, balance sheet, profit and loss account, trading account, whatever, based on the records. This record is more important for accounting. Okay, this, for example, if you are purchasing anything in the company or selling, you are not keeping the record. How they know which date which one is purchased or which one is sale, how much is came, how much is given. So that is why recording is main purpose of the accounting, the tracking. Because of the recording, they are going to track the assets or liability or whatever the expense or revenue. Okay guys, I am going to tell next video about the common elements, common terms in the accounts. Okay guys, thank you so much.